everyone, and welcome to Friday's Assembly. As you can see, I'm not in my office. I'm at home recording this message because I'm at a meeting with some other head teachers this afternoon. I'm also not in my smart shirt. I'm in my new hoodie. So I've been looking at all your red hoodies and I've invested and bought myself a special Haslingden Primary School head teacher hoodie. Let me show you this. What do you think about that? So if I'm doing sports, I'll be wearing this in school, and yeah, looking forward to it. It's beautiful and warm, perfect for this wintry weather we're having and potential of snow this weekend. So welcome to Friday's Assembly. A couple of quick reminders, okay? First of all, the importance of arriving at school on time. Lessons start at 10 to 9, but the gates open at 8:35, so there's no excuse to come right at the last seconds and come through the gate as Mr. Ellis or Mr. Nuttall or Mr. Evans are closing those gates. Okay, get in early, nice and early, get yourself settled into class, ready to start your lessons. That helps everybody have the best start to the school day. Next, a really important bit of news that's on the newsletter this week that is going home to your parents and carers. Next Friday, that's the 3rd of December, something very special in Haslingden is going to happen. We've got our Christmas light switch on and markets. Okay, so the markets are going to be open from 4 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Great little place to get maybe a secret present for a parent or a carer. And then at 5 p.m, dun, 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 it's the big one, it's a light switch on. And there'll be a VIP to switch them on outside Haslingden Library. So if you're available, 5 p.m. next Friday, get yourself down outside the library and you'll see the lights being switched on. Been a fantastic week. Again, we've had some visitors, we've had some school visits. Tuesday, we had our first group of dancers competing in Burnley against lots of other schools at Got to Dance Festival, and they did the school tremendously proud. So thank you to everybody involved with that. Boys and girls, those of you who went to all the practices and competed, well done. Hope you really enjoyed it. I know there's a few butterflies, but you were brilliant. Mrs. Files and Mr. Payton, thank you for organising everything you did to do with that trip as well, and the other staff who helped out. And finally, all those parents and carers who turned up for the dancing as well. I know you had a brilliant time. Okay, teachers, get your certificates ready because we've got stars of the week. So let's start in year 6 and we'll go down in descending order in age. So in Mrs. Harkham's class, we've got Molly Robinson. Mr. Langan's class, James Beardsall Nutt. Mr. Newton's class, Olivia Edmondson. Somebody who had their birthday this week as well. Mrs. Robinson's class, Irfan Ahmed. Mr. Gelder's class, Ella Dawood. Mrs. Leach's class, Fatima Bibi. Mrs. Stansfield's class, Omar Ali. Mrs. Boyle's class, Atib Khan. Miss Mitchell's class, Farhan Nawaz. Mrs. Taylor's class, Alina Jamal. Mr. Taylor's class, Heather Gate. Mrs. Halliwell's class, Kian Imtiaz. Miss Hodges' class, Hunter Kenyon. And last and certainly not least, Mrs. Cameron's class with Jax Riedel. So fantastic effort, everybody. Well done. Come up to the cameras. Show your class your certificates. That's it. Show everybody your certificates. And everybody, let's give them a big round of applause. Well done. Now, the birthday cake's gone. No, I know I'm in my office. At home. But when I was in my office yesterday, the birthday cake had gone. I don't know where it is. But this morning, I was given 2 videos in my email to put into this video. So I don't know what they are. So shall we play the video? Let's see what's on these.
Hello, Haslingden Primary School. This week, myself and Mrs. Kenyon thought we'd do the happy birthdays. So a big happy birthday this week to Anaya, Samid, Leo, Tawida, Charlie, Olivia, Sania, Ayana, Zara, and a happy birthday today to Adam in year 6. Let's all sing together now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear everyone. Happy birthday to you. Go on, Mrs. Kenyon, do the honours.
Ready? Yay!
Happy birthday! And a final happy birthday this week to Mr. Ellis. Happy birthday, Mr.
Happy
Ellis.
birthday, Mr. Ellis. Now I'm going to pull Mrs. McMahon's hair because we can't pull Mr. Ellis's. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to stop there.
Happy birthday!
Well, can you believe it? Mrs. McMahon and Miss Kenyon in the office got the birthday cake and did a special birthdays this week. So if it was your birthdays like me, hope you've had a brilliant week, a brilliant birthday. If you're celebrating it this weekend, I hope you have a fantastic time. And everybody else, there's a bit of forecast of bad weather on the way, the first winter storm. The meteorologists have named it, so maybe you can find out what it's named after. They start with A, and each new storm goes through the alphabet. So this one will definitely be named after the letter A. And have a good weekend. You might wake up and there might be a little dusting of snow over the hills. Have a very good weekend, everybody. Listen carefully to your teachers as they give you the next instructions. Bye.